Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You have the printer charged and labels ready. Start by powering it on and confirming Bluetooth is enabled. You'll load the roll so the leading edge feeds under the sensor. This prevents misfeeds and blank prints. Once the roll sits correctly, close the cover and watch the feed advance a few millimeters to verify alignment. Make sure indicator lights show ready. This step ensures the printer knows where labels start, which is essential for accurate margins and consistent print placement. You'll pair the printer with your phone or tablet next. Open Bluetooth, tap the Atari device name, and confirm any PIN. Once paired, install the manufacturer app or add the printer through your operating system's print settings so you can set the label dimensions and gap or black mark mode. Then adjust print density and speed. Higher density gives darker text but uses more power. After configuring, print a test label to confirm alignment and contrast. This prevents wasted labels later. You're ready to print. Send a test from the app and inspect alignment, barcode readability, and darkness. If labels shift or cuts occur, run auto-calibration or adjust the sensor mode and feed offset. This tells the printer where each label starts and stops. If printing fails, make sure batteries are charged, Bluetooth is within range, and the roll isn't installed backwards. A quick power cycle of both devices often clears connection glitches. Use one troubleshooting tip first. Recalibrate most.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.